Today I'm going to be unboxing a Vevor Lab Scale and showing you how to calibrate it. If you're into formulation or you have a business that requires precision, then this video is for you. Let's get into the box. It comes with the scale, adapter, calibration, weight, and the manual. First impressions is it feels solid and looks clean. It comes with a user manual, and this is going to show us how to set it up and how to calibrate it. It comes with a plug so that you can plug it into the wall, and I actually kind of like that. Only thing I wish is that the cord was a little longer, but this is a pretty common connection, so if I really want something longer, then I can go ahead and buy that. Okay, so I've gotten this cord plugged in. This here is the calibration weight. The calibration weight is 500 grams. Okay, so now let's take out the actual scale. Oh, yeah, I'm very glad that this comes with the manual. That way it tells me how to set it up because, oh, this is bigger than I thought. This is a lot bigger than I thought. What it showed on the picture, I'm thinking it's just, because this was my scale before. It's definitely an upgrade. It's a lot bigger, and I really like that. Another cool thing that I just noticed is it's got, I don't know if you can see that. I don't know what that's called, but it will show you if your scale is centered. And right now it's centered, it's laying on a flat surface. Just exploring it now without reading the user manual yet is just like, I like this already. And I hear some pieces in here. This should be pretty easy to figure out how to do, because just looking at the manual right now, it's not actually showing me how to put this on, but I think this is common sense. So we'll see. Front side needs to face up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on here. It gives 4 screws. I only need 2 right here, so I've got 2 extra just in case. And then this part here, I really don't want to take off this part. Like that's, ooh, never mind. Yes, I do. I was gonna say I like the blue, but this is so shiny. Oh, I smudged it. I'm gonna clean it anyway, but this is so shiny. I'm tripping. I'm talking about this is so shiny. Okay. There we go. Look at this, guys. My new scale. Oh, I love it already. Like, this is really an upgrade. This scale versus this scale. Another thing I forgot to mention is this is a 0.01 scale, and that means that I can measure with a little bit more precision than just a 0.1 gram scale. So now we're gonna plug it in and power it up. It's easy. Literally just put the cord into the connection. All right. Place the balance on a stable and flat workbench. Got it. Oh, it does have a space for a battery, so I'm guessing in case you didn't want to plug it in, you can use a battery. I actually do like the option of having both, but I'm sorry, having it plugged in is a plus for me. So, connect the external power supply, press on off. So it says in order to calibrate this, you need to avoid vibration, sunlight exposure, airflow, and strong electromagnetic interference. Turn on the power of the balance and preheat for half an hour. So I looked it up. It said when you turn on your lab scale or any precision balance, the internal components, especially the sensors, need to warm up and stabilize. This is because changes in temperature can affect the accuracy of highly sensitive equipment. Leave the scale powered on for 30 minutes before you do any calibration or weighing. That way, the internal electronics have time to reach a stable temperature, which leads to more accurate and consistent calibrations and measurement results. All right, so I set a timer on my phone for 25 minutes because I've already been looking this up for a good 5 to 10. So I did 25 just to be safe. And when this timer goes off, we're gonna come back and calibrate the scale. So step 2, press the cal key. Wait for flashing standard weight. Okay? Okay, wait a second, because we gotta pay attention. Place the standard weight value on the scale. So I tested the scale with my calibration weight and it was spot on, and that's exactly what you want when you're dealing with precise ingredients. This scale is simple to use, it's accurate, and it's affordable, and it's perfect for someone to use at home who's making their own skincare. If you found this helpful, give it a like and a comment. Go ahead and subscribe so that I can continue making these videos. And also let me know in the comments if there's any tools that you would like to see me unbox or try out.